सिक्स्थ सेमेस्टर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग डिप्लोमा में पास होने के रामबाण वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। सबसे पहले आपको बता दें कि इस सेमेस्टर में केवल स्टील सबसे भारी सब्जेक्ट है क्योंकि इसमें न्यूमेरिकल सवाल पूछे जाते हैं।
पेज नंबर
फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी आते हैं। तो चलिए इन्हीं नंबरों को पक्का करते हैं।
steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Next is brittleness in steel is because of excess carbon. Nominal size of rivet is determined from the formula phi equal to 6 root t Unwin's formula. Efficiency of a rivet joint neta equal to होता है strength of joint divided by strength of solid plate into 100. The minimum size of flat weld is 3 mm. Members subjected to direct tension are called tension member. परमिसेबल स्ट्रेस इन टेंशन इक्वल टू होता है आपका 0.6 इंटू एफ आई फॉर माइल्ड स्टील के लिए। रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन ऑफ अ कंप्रेशन मेंबर इक्वल टू होता है रूट ऑफ आई अपॉन ए। रूफ ट्रस आर इकोनॉमिकल फॉर स्पैन मोर देन 10 मीटर के लिए। कॉलम फेल्स ड्यू टू प्योरली क्रशिंग, आंसर है इसका शॉर्ट कॉलम। स्लेंडरनेस रेशियो इज द रेशियो ऑफ इफेक्टिव लेंथ एंड रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन। बेंडिंग स्ट्रेस एट द न्यूट्रल एक्सेस इज 0। चलो नेक्स्ट पेपर देखते हैं। द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टील यूज्ड इन स्ट्रक्चर मेंबर शुड बी 7850 kg per cubic meter. Coefficient of thermal expansion or contraction of steel, structural steel of standard quality is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree centigrade. Efficiency of a rivet joint neta equal to होता है strength of joint upon strength of solid plate into 100. ये पहले भी आ रखा है। Rivet in lap joint are in single shear. The minimum size of flat weld is 3 mm. Permissible stress in weld is mostly taken as 108 megapascal. Strength of a tension member is based on the net area into permissible stress. Unit of slenderness ratio are no ratio. The permissible stress in axial compression depends upon slenderness ratio. The ratio of rise to full span is pitch or slope of stress. Truss. Column with both ends fixed have effective length L equal to 0.5 into L. Maximum deflection for a simply supported beam should not exceed L upon 3 to 5. तो 2021 का पेपर देखते हैं। ISHB stands for Indian Standard Heavy Beam. ISLC stands for Indian Standard Light Channel. ISSQ Indian Standard Square. Fabrication of steel works shall be tested as per IS 800. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Maximum limit of carbon in steel is limited to 1.5%. As percent of carbon increase in making of steel, the strength but ductility स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगी, डक्टिलिटी कम होगी, इंक्रीज डिक्रीज आंसर। हुक्स लॉ स्टेट दैट स्ट्रेस is directly proportional to strain within an elastic limit. Unit weight of steel is 7850 kg per cubic meter. Coefficient of thermal expansion or contraction of structural steel or standard quality is 12 into 10 power minus 6 per degree centigrade. Rivet body also called shank. The nominal dia of rivet D equal to 20 mm, then gross dia of rivet D equal to 21.5 means 1.5 1.5 mm ज़्यादा छोड़ देंगे इसमें। Size of rivet is specified by nominal dia. Nominal size of rivet is determined by formula is phi equal to 6 root t. Slenderness ratio of effective length of radius of gyration. Ratio of rise to full span is called slope or pitch. Efficiency of rivet joint neta equal to strength of riveted joint to the strength of solid plate into 100. In welded joint, effective throat thickness is 0.7 into size of weld. Radius of gyration of compression member is R equal to root I upon A. Long column fails due to buckling. Bending stress at neutral axis is 0. Effective length of column fixed from both ends is 0.5 into L. Strut is a compression member. Stiffener are the member provided to prevent buckling of web. Column is a vertical structure member subjected to forces axial compressive force. 2022 का पेपर देखते हैं। T section has two flange walls. Nominal gross dia of the rivet is same false. Unit of cylinder ratio R M in false. Strut is a compression member true. Unit of radius of gyration is mm true. Load bearing capacity in short column is more than long column true. King post truss are suitable for span greater than 15 meter false. Maximum shear stress in beam is Tmax equal to 1.5 into T average true. Web buckling and web crippling are same false. ISHB rolled steel section are used as beam true. Steel is an alloy of carbon and iron true. Purlin consists of channel section true. तो या तेज का पेपर देते हैं ISHB rolled steel section are used as beam. Strength of axially loaded column P equal to होता है sigma into A stress into area. Rivet in double cover butt joint are in double shear. ISLC stands for Indian Standard Light Channel. Rolled steel eye section are generally used as beam. In compression memory area of section used list cross sectional area. Winding equation is dynamic M upon I equal to sigma upon y equal to E upon R. In compression memory radius of gyration R equal to root I upon A. Simple footing are used in heavy structure. False. Wrought iron is strong in compression. True. In tension memory strength depend upon the gross area. Answer false. Welded joints are used for joining the structure permanently. True. 2024 का पेपर देखते हैं. Rivets in lap joint are in shear. The minimum size of fillet weld is 3 mm. Column with both ends fixed effective length 0.5 L. The density of steel used in construction should be 750 kg per cubic meter. Permissible tensile stress in rivet joint is taken as 75 megapascal. Convenience formula is 5 equal to 6 root T. Value of cylinder ratio for member carrying load due to dead load and live load is 180. Net sectional area is gross area into reduction factor. Strut is a type of compression member. For partially penetration of butt weld, rod thickness is taken as 0.7 into weld size. ISNT stands for Indian Standard Normal T. Minimum pitch is taken as 2.5 into dia of rivet. तो 20 नंबर कन्फर्म करने के लिए इनको रट लेना चाहे जो भी करना पास होने के लिए